Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous tous allez très bien. Je m'appelle Moksha et vous êtes à Language Fluent. Hey linguists, hope you're doing well. My name is Moksha and you're watching Language Fluent. Language Fluent is an institute that teaches foreign languages for job or immigration purpose. So we provide 2-year job-oriented courses at Language Fluent. For further details, you can contact us on the given numbers or you can check the description box where you can download the application. So, aujourd'hui, on va apprendre à l'aéroport. À l'aéroport. So today we will learn about at the airport. So in this topic we will be learning about vocabularies related to airport and also few verbs which are related to airport. So in this we will be dividing vocabs and verbs. For vocabs we have, as we know, masculine and feminine. Each and every vocab in French have a gender. So we have masculine or feminine vocabulary. So in this session I will be teaching you vocabs. Along with that you have to remember the gender of this vocab. So always remember, when we have a, un, or le, l, when there is a or l, the vocab or the gender of the vocab is masculine. And when we have yun, une, yun or la, la, une or la, yun or la, the vocabulary has a feminine gender. So in this case, wherever you see a, yun, la, la, you have to identify what is the gender of this vocabulary. So let's get started. So at the airport is known as à l'aéroport. In French we call this as à l'aéroport. L'aéroport. So first part is of course the vocabularies related to airport. So how do we pronounce vocabularies? Les vocabulaire. Les vocabulaire. So this is how we call vocabularies in French. Now the first vocabulary that we have here is une compagnie aérienne. Une compagnie aérienne. This means airline in English. So here we have une. That means this is a feminine noun. So here gn is pronounced as ne. Ne. And here ienne is n. N. So it is une compagnie aérienne. Aérienne. Then we have un avion. Un avion, which means airplane. So here un is a. So the noun is masculine noun. And on is pronounced as o. So we say un avion. Then we have un aéroport. Un aéroport, which means airport in English. Again we have a. So here a is masculine. But here we say un aéroport because this is vowel. The word is starting with vowel. So even over here, un avion. We say un avion. We don't say a avion, we say un avion. Again over here, un aéroport. Un aéroport is the pronunciation. Then we have les arrivées. Les arrivées, which means arrivals. Arrivals in English. So here, arrivée. This is a plural noun. So we are writing les. Les. We also have gender and number. So this is plural. So we are adding les. And pronunciation is les arrivées. Les arrivées, because S is followed by a vowel. So we say les arrivées. There is a liaison. Then we have l'enregistrement. L'enregistrement, which means check-in in English. So here E is a vowel and we are adding article L apostrophe, that is definite article. So we write L apostrophe because E starts with vowel. So instead of L or La, we add L apostrophe. So we say l'enregistrement, l'enregistrement. Then we have la douance, la douance, which means custom in English. So here douance is feminine, so we are adding la, la douance. Then we have les départs, les départs, which means departures. So here départ is plural, so we are writing les, les départs. Also the pronunciation is les départs, not les départs, because départ starts with consonant, so we say les départs. Then we have une boutique or taxe, une boutique or taxe. So this means duty free in English. So here boutique is feminine, so we add une, une, une boutique or taxe. Then we have en avance, en avance, which means early, early in English. And the next one is en retard, en retard, which means late. So you see, these both are opposites. So here pronunciation is also different. Here we say en avance because en is followed by a vowel, so we say en avance. But here en is followed by consonant, so we say en retard. Then we have en classe économique and en classe touriste. Again, en classe économique and en classe touriste. So this means in economy class. Both have same meaning in English. Then we have en première classe, en première classe. This is pronounced as première. This means in first class in English. Then we have a vol, which means flight. Vol is masculine, so we are writing a vol. Then we have une porte, which means gate. Porte is feminine, so we write une porte. Then we have l'immigration, which means immigration. So again, this immigration starts with I, immigration, and this is a vowel, so we add L apostrophe. This only happens in definite articles. In la, le, we write L apostrophe before vowel. Then we have à l'heure, which means on time in English. Then we have le contrôle de sécurité, le contrôle de sécurité, which means security check in English. So here contrôle de sécurité, this is a masculine noun, so we are writing le contrôle de sécurité. Then we have une navette, this is shuttle. This is pronounced as navette, and this is feminine, so we write une navette. Then we have une escale, which means stopover in English. Escale is feminine, so we write une escale. Then we have une aérogare, which is terminal in English. Aérogare is feminine, so we write une aérogare. Then the next is un billet d'avion, which is plane ticket. So here billet d'avion is masculine, so we write un billet d'avion. And then we have a billet aller-retour, which means round trip ticket in English. Now we will look at list of verbs which are used for à l'aéroport. So, verbs in French, as we know, are known as les verbes. Les verbes. And here we have 5 verbs which are used in aller rapport. So, the first one is embarquer. Embarquer, which is to board in English. Next we have is déclarer. Déclarer, which is to declare in English. The third one we have is atterrir. Atterrir, which is to land in English. To land. Fourth one is faire une réservation. Faire une réservation, which means make a reservation in English. And the last verb that we have is décoller. Décoller, which is to take off. To take off in English. Thank you. So, we are at the end of our lecture. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Hit the bell icon which is there on your YouTube app to never miss on our latest videos. Also hit like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. To register for the full courses at Language Fluent, please contact us on the given numbers, or you can check the application link and you can fill the form which is there in the description box. We also provide translator and interpreter services here at Language Fluent. So, hope to see you guys in next lecture. À bientôt. Merci beaucoup. Thank you so much.